How to delete Apple ID permanently. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Make sure you are logged in with the Apple ID that you want to delete. After you check this, you can close this. Now launch your Safari browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in privacy.apple.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now scroll all the way down. You will find the option of delete your account. Click on this option of request to delete your account. What happens when your account is deleted? You can go through these and scroll down. Now click on this drop down. You have to give a reason why do you want to delete your account. And then click on continue. Again, go through all these terms and conditions. Scroll all the way down. When your Apple ID is deleted, you will not be able to use the apps that are linked to your Apple ID. Now you can go ahead and click on continue, and with that your Apple ID will be deleted. Well, this is how you can easily delete your Apple ID permanently. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.